To solve absolute value inequalities, whenever there's an absolute value inside an inequality, your first goal, or an equation by the way, but your first goal should be to get the absolute value symbol by itself. Right now it isn't because it's being divided by 5. So to get it by itself, I'm going to undo that by multiplying everything by 5. Because 5 times something over 5 makes it perfectly cancel out. So now that the absolute value symbol is by itself, we can proceed in two ways. We can do it once as if there wasn't an absolute value symbol, 2w plus 8 is greater than or equal to 15. And do it once as if the right side, that's supposed to be a w. Then we do it once if the right side had a negative sign in front of it. In order to account for that, we also have to flip the symbol. So just a quick recap of what to do after you get the absolute value symbol by itself. Do it once as if there's no absolute value symbol and solve it. And then solve a second time as if you flip the symbol and change the sign of the number over here to a negative. On the left, I subtract both sides by 8, and I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get w by itself. And there's my answer for the left side. And for the right side, I'll actually proceed exactly the same. Subtract both sides by 8, and divide by 2. There's our two answers. W is greater than or equal to 3.5, or in other words, 7/2. And then we would say, or w is less than negative 23 over 2. So I marked 2 spaces on the number line where those two numbers are. Here's 7/2. It can be greater than 7/2, or it's less than negative 23 over 2, which is negative 11.5. So there's our answer graphically.